our crust. How many crusts do we have?
2.
Good job. Get that crust out.
Okay, Dad, this one's going to be for you.
Can you put it on that one?
That one's for you, Daddy.
All right.
We put sauce on it.
Okay.
Yep, that's our next step, right? I'll pour it on here, and then you take your spoon and you push it around. Good job, all the edges. Just gonna do this one. Mommy likes to get it up on the crust too, to give the crust some flavor. Get away, Nat.
It's all done.
Alright. Okay, hold on. What's the next step? Remember what goes on next?
Cheese!
Good job. Alright, here's your cheese. So sprinkle it on.
Are you the sprinkle fairy?
Yes.
Mmm.
Sprinkle some out in here. And hold it.
Yep, all over.
We gotta put the pizza in 400 in the oven.
Good
That's
job.
good thinking.
Guys, I'm just making that.
It's okay.
What?
Get the cheese falling onto the pizza.
I haven't got mine done.
Nice and cheesy.
It's gonna be yum.
Yes. Let me get some cheese for mine.
It's gonna be nice and yummy.
Mm-hmm. Mommy likes lots of cheese. You better get some more cheese on yours. You're lacking some cheese there, boy. Look at mine. Mine's already got all kinds
I
of
think
cheese.
we gotta turn it around.
Okay. Daddy, let's spread some of this cheese out. You're doing fantastic. I'm gonna rotate it.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
What do you think, Scarlett? Are you hungry?
Good job.
Are you hungry yet?
A little bit in the
No,
middle.
you just like the light.
Yeah, in the middle. Slides over here.
Next step is pepperoni.
Yeah! Pepperoni! Alright, I'll open your pepperoni up. Let's just pull it out because there's not a whole lot in there. There you go. Yeah, you gotta pull it apart.
Guys, we're going to start cooking it in a second.
Yes.
Start cooking you guys. Peppers.
You eat pepperoni? Are you a pepperoni stealer?
Yes,
Yes.
I like eating it.
That's okay. You can eat it. You can have those. That's plenty. Are we finished?
We're just sprinkle some basil up and it'll be done.
Say shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake, shake.
You need to do lots of shaking, huh? It's kind of hard to come out.
Earthquake!
Okay?
That's not done yet. The next seasoning is talent seasoning. Oh gosh, it's gonna be the good pizza ever.
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna be delicious.
Now first, this one gets to be baked up. Mommy,
My baby.
this one needs to be baked up.
Well, you can put it on there or you can eat it.
I'll put it on there and put some sauce on it.
Well, we don't have any more sauce. You can eat it.
Ready! Eat it.
Watch, it's hot.
The top one is mine.
Mm-hmm.
No,
Looks
no.
delicious.
It looks delicious, 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 delicious.
You might say, good.
Mm.